Russia's potential rise as a global superpower in the face of climate change. For centuries, Russia has faced geographical challenges that have limited its development and global influence. However, with the onset of climate change, these challenges may transform into opportunities, potentially propelling Russia into becoming a superpower once again. In the next few minutes, we will explore how climate change could benefit Russia and discuss the factors that contribute to its potential rise as a global powerhouse. 1. Shifting climate zones. As the world experiences the effects of climate change, the zone for maximum human productivity is projected to migrate further north. This shift will benefit Russia, particularly its Arctic region, including Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Scandinavia, and Siberia. These areas, currently inhospitable due to extreme cold, will become more suitable for human habitation and economic activities. 2. Abundance of natural resources. Russia possesses vast reserves of valuable minerals, estimated to be worth around $2 trillion, including those crucial for modern devices like smartphones and computers. As Siberia warms up, the demand for these resources will increase, providing Russia with an opportunity to exploit its mineral wealth. Additionally, Russia is already known as one of the world's top energy providers, particularly in natural gas. The development of untapped natural gas fields in western Siberia could potentially power entire continents like Europe for many years. 3. Agricultural potential. As the world gets warmer, Russia will have more land suitable for agriculture. Currently, Russia is the largest exporter of wheat, barley, and oats globally. With the expansion of arable land in Siberia, estimates suggest that farming areas could increase by more than half, potentially leading to a significant increase in food production. This agricultural advantage positions Russia to meet the growing demand for food in a warmer world. 4. Climate refugees. As climate change intensifies, many parts of Asia are likely to experience extreme heat and flooding, leading to mass migration. Russia, with its vast and sparsely populated Siberian region, could become a refuge for climate refugees from other parts of Asia. This influx of people could help settle and develop the underpopulated areas, potentially transforming Siberia into a strong economic hub. 5. Advantageous geographical position. Unlike many other countries, Russia's major cities are located inland, away from the coast. This advantageous position makes Russia less vulnerable to rising sea levels, which could pose significant challenges for coastal cities worldwide. Additionally, the melting of Arctic sea ice opens up the Northern Sea Route, NSR, a potential trade route between Asia and Europe. Russia's control over this route could provide substantial economic benefits, including transit fees and increased trade with China. Conclusion. Climate change, while posing significant challenges for most countries, presents unique opportunities for Russia to reclaim its status as a global superpower. With the potential for increased agricultural productivity, access to valuable resources, and control over the NSR, Russia is well positioned to benefit from the changing climate. However, it is essential to consider the broader implications of climate change and work towards sustainable solutions that benefit all nations.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.